Well, I'm not even sure how this is going to look or sound, but we're in my makeshift shop. I needed a place to come into one of my sheds that had insulated and electricity, so I can put a heater in here. So now this winter, instead of having this stuff full of stuff, I got it somewhat cleared out. I'm going to do some organizing yet in here. I got books and give you a little tour. Okay, right there is the door to come in. There's the outside. And then this is my, well, here's the light, ceiling. It's all insulated. And this is my pegboard that's overly used. I'm putting a pegboard over. I'll show you the wall my workshop, little workbenches on. It's all that. And I've got storage up above. And then all the shelves, everything's pretty much packed in there. I know where most of the stuff is at, but I can't guarantee I'd find it in a timely manner. But screws, some nails. I'm just going through, I'm getting everything like painting stuff, wrenches, screwdrivers, all that kind of stuff, put in one place and then build toolboxes off of it. So, get back here. So, what I'm doing today is that I have a little panel I have to put up, and I've got to cut a little indentation in here, and I just need something I can probably just get my fingers into if I ever need to. So I'm going to draw that out here halfway, which is 10 1/4 inches. So I need to find something to make an arc with. Now I don't want too much cut out. It's like a door for furnace stuff. I don't need to get to very often. So that, and I'll probably come down here, and maybe, yeah, and maybe right across here. So I'm going to take you outside, and I'm going to cut that out. Let's see how crazy this can get. Start with this. It's not going to take much out. We're going to start on. Better put my safety gloves on. Okay, going for the power. It's actually working better than I thought. I've got it pretty much started. So what I'm going to do is kind of even it all out there, make sure it looks uniform, and then sand it or grind it or whatever smooth. Then I'll have to paint it. I'm going to get the grinder. Okay, now I'm going to start out with 80 grit. Pretty much have it cut down to where I'll be able to use it. But I've got to kind of smooth it out. So I'm going to start with 60 grit. I'm going to try my sander, orbital sander next. If I ruin it, I'll just redo it. There we go. Just like a professional. That I'm not. Now I'll just paint that, paint this again, and install it. So it's going to be like this. Yeah, that'll work just fine.
Our country is very well served by his leadership. Again, his experience, his knowledge.